Within the Admin Products section, you can view all of the products that are available on your DecoNetwork account. Now you can apply what are called bulk actions to the products in many different ways. Before we apply a bulk action, realize that you have the search tool and then you have the advanced search. And the advanced search will really allow you to filter the products down based on these parameters. So maybe I only want to see Gildan products, but maybe I have Gildan in here from Sanmar, S&S, and Alpha, several suppliers. So I could then choose the specific supplier I only want to see Gildan products from. I could even go as far as, okay, I only want to see Gildan supplier products that are in the unisex t-shirts category. So just keep in mind, what you see here as results is going to come down to these parameters in which category or subcategory you are currently on. If you're not seeing everything, it's a good chance that you need to come up to all. You've just whittled it down too much. In addition to being able to sort and filter by brand, supplier, search by code, name, sometimes it's really easy to find a lot of products by simply typing youth. Or you could do a specific line like heavy cotton. So the name is very helpful as far as the search goes. The status is going to be, is it active, inactive? The supplier status, is it current, new? The product type. Smart selected means that you have added it when you click the select catalog based on the smart select rules within the decoration process. If you manually came over here to add selected, add supplier product, that is going to be a manually selected product. If you came here to add custom product and you added your product from scratch, or if you imported it using the CSV capability, it'll be seen as a custom product. The availability, web stores only, means it's only available on websites, not Business Hub. Business Hub only means it's only available on Business Hub, and when this is the case, you don't see it right now, the product will have an orange background. Business Hub and web stores means it's available throughout the entire DecoNetwork account because it's either on your Business Hub and or your website. Okay, so what you can do after you've selected a category and or applied some parameters, you can then select these products to apply a bulk action. And when I first do my selection here, it's going to select all 15 products. Or I could select all 71 in this case. And then I can come and I can make all 71s inactive or active or delete them or undelete them or export their inventory levels, export the products to a CSV so I have a list. I can update their availability, modify their categories, and assign them to a product group. So what I could do by default, or could do, is set the availability, click Apply Action, and maybe I want to make this group or this category of products only available internally to Business Hub. So I can come into Business Hub and Web Store Availability and assign these products to Business Hub only. If they're Business Hub only, they will have this orange beige background. And that indicates, again, only internal use. So I can easily select all 71 products, update the availability so that it's actually available everywhere, Business Hub and web stores. Or maybe I want it available on Business Hub and web stores, but not every store by default. So I could say it's not in every store by default. It is only available in this specific store. Now, these availability rules you can apply individually within a product, but it's something very easy to do to a group of products. Same thing with most of these bulk actions. I mean, most of the bulk actions, if not all of them, actually, well, you can't export an individual product unless you just select one. But pretty much all of these actions you can apply within each product. But it's just easier when you can do it as a group typically. Modifying categories. I can add these products to additional categories and or I can remove them from their current categories. Be careful with deleting categories as it can become a lot harder to undo that versus adding them to additional or new categories. As you can see, the product advanced search and the ability to apply bulk actions is a very powerful tool. Just be careful because some things can be a little bit difficult to undo once you've done them. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.